Raider. Coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one I'm like freaking stoked about. It came in a Zen Pop box. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code Ramen Raider to get one. I think you might be able to get this one. But I'm unsure. They might have more. Anyway, this is spicy Kogashi Shoyu Raoh. See that? Oh, sorry. Raoh. Anyway, I've taken everything out and put it in here for safekeeping before I do the video. Hey. So let's see what we got. Man, I washed all my shirts in hot water and they shrunk. Look at that. That noodle block is dark. Sachets. So what do we throw in there right now? Well, we got a dry one. And look, it's like got kibble in it. Yummy kibble. Boil kibble. Put that in there. There's the kibble. Actually, I think it's probably minced pork and looks like some cabbage. Feels like cabbage. Yeah. And then we've got, this is a liquid. And this is a liquid. So those go in last. Generally on these things, the dry sachets go in, you cover it, do its time, and then at the end, you squirt in the goo, give it a stir, and chow down. So this one calls for 400 mils of water and to chill out for 4 minutes. There's that. No, it's 5 minutes. Right? Yeah, 400 mils of water and 5 minutes. As I've said before, but if you're new, see that? 400 is the amount of milliliters of water, and 5 is the amount of time. So, I'll just throw this on top. Boom. And there we go. So, yeah, I was talking about how stoked I am to be losing weight in the last episode, yeah, and at least I think it was the last episode. Oh crap, the ordering of these things is really hard. Anyways, so I'm down 94 pounds, feeling actually really sore. Yeah, my neck hurts really bad. It seems like what kills it is actually sitting and looking at my phone. And I used to do that a heck of a lot more than I do now. So, thank God for Tylenol and ibuprofen. But yeah. Anyways, I don't know. Somebody said the other day that, they're like, wow, you're doing it so great. I wish I could do it, and this and that. I don't think I could ever do that. And it's like, I can't do that, or I'm jealous that you did that. And really, that's like not what I want to hear. I want to hear like, wow, cool. I'm gonna do that too, because you can. It's really not hard. Honestly, it was hard at the beginning, but you get used to it. My wife said the other day that it takes 28 days for something to become a habit. And I could see that as being logical. If you do the same thing for 4 weeks, you're going to be like used to it by then. It's going to be like second nature, I think. So, but yeah, saying I can't, I hate the word can't. I hear it from people so often when they can, and yeah. Envy and jealousy are very fattening and all that crap. So Yeah, but yeah, it's weird. It's kind of like it's like the ramen thing. You know what I do? It's like I started doing it and then I stopped doing it for like 5 years and then I got back on board with it. I should have been doing it the whole time, but I don't know. I guess things happen for a reason. But with the weight loss thing and how well it's gone for me, working hard on it this time, it's like, God, why didn't I do this earlier? I mean, hey, I'm doing it. I'm stoked. But if, you know, the one thing I'll say that's a big thing. All right, I'm gonna get on a diet. I'm gonna start exercising, and I'm gonna do it starting this day. And then the whole like, I've got like a week to do whatever I want, and not have to worry about it, and then I can start. It's like, that's so stupid. Don't do that. Just start. Why? It's just like reinforcing what you're doing already. And I mean, I put on my my mac and cheese and hot dog and Papa Murphy's $10 Tuesday jacket, one sleeve at a time, all by myself. It's nobody's fault but mine that I got so big. It's you can do it. You just have to do it. But whatever. Yeah, so it's nice out. I might go walking later. I did a video today. So he's home from school. He's on summer break, and he'll be going back to school for 3 weeks. Huh? You gonna go back to school? You gonna have summer school? And a happy birthday? Yeah, it won't be long after that. You're done with that. It'll be your birthday, yeah. For Miles' birthday, personal checks can be written out. But yeah, so it's pretty cool, and I'll probably go walking again later. But I did a video of doing my apartment laps today, and that I can't wait to see it. I used the camera you're watching me on right now, and it's gonna be kind of funny, I'm sure. What I'm gonna do is I'll give this a quick stir, and then I'm gonna throw it in the pot, because the pot is the easiest way to transfer the food to the bowl that will have the garnish. Wow. So here you can actually just see some of the veg in there. That's all cabbage, I think. Wow. Big. I like that. That makes me happy. The non-spicy version of this is in the top 10 bowls list this year. So here it is without the liquid sachet contents, and now we're going to put those in. So we'll start with this one. Oh! Yeah, that video I did earlier. I did a video basically, I think it was 90 minutes of me walking back and forth like some kind of weird feral cat. I swear. And the kids like torturing me the whole time. It was great. But since I got them both here and I can't take them both out walking at the same time, that would be insane and unsafe, honestly. Basically, I have to walk back and forth here. And it's a small apartment, so the living room just becomes a little track. I'm gonna wear a hole in the carpet. Oh, we got our letter of doom. So what they're gonna be doing is revamping all the countertops and the fronts of the cabinets and all that jazz. Well, they're gonna start that. When is that? Like right. I think the same day he goes back to school. So look at that. Just give it a sniff. It smells good. The noodles look exemplary, as Raoh often does. Let's give it a try. The noodles are freaking long. They're good. They're good. Noodles are good. There's that broth. Wow. Mmm. Bits of minced pork in there. Oh, wow. Impressive. All right. Let's make sure you can see the debauchery. There we go. God. And I know how much you guys absolutely hate, knowing that this stuff goes down the drain. If they come out with 0-calorie ramen, I'm all over it. Okay, so what do we want to do first? Man, so much to do here. I'm gonna do the egg first. Hey, out there! Don't get too riled up. Visiting the eggist first. So the eggist wasn't so loving today. But something I've learned from this stuff, it's a very meaty, meat-tastic broth. So I like doing a little bit of wash over the egg with the broth. Do that. I've got some chashu. I mean, it's got minced pork in it already, but I have chashu as well, so I just don't care. I will go the extra mile. Some extra chashu, some mung bean sprouts, because I like that delicate crunch. Know what I'm saying? Maybe we'll go to the mall and walk around at the frickin' mall. The mall sucks, but I mean, it's still something to do. We'll walk to the store. Pile on some negi. Let's be a little nicer about that. I'll do that with the chashu too. There we go. What else we got? I got some black seed. I think we'll go with that. And I got some, this is like fancy stuff. It's shichimi togarashi. But like extra spicy. And you know, this is a garlic one, and I really love garlic, so I've got some fried garlic, and I'm gonna add it, a little bit of it, because this is basically like a wondrous Tan Men experience. So there we go. All right, so I think we are in Happy Land here. And yeah, this will go down the drain, but if you want your own, you can either move like a block away from me and not be a creep, or you can go check out zenpop.jp and use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount, and maybe you can like get a neat thing with this. Does that sound like fun? I hope so. If it doesn't, then I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, find something 8-bit. Yeah, you guys like that. All right. All right. Shibai Toroka, I say. Or as was said to me by a guy from Oregon who's a comedian, and told also by me on the show, God, what was it called? They all have like all these people that are dressed up as angels, and they interviewed me quite a few years ago. I want to say like 5 or 6 years ago for this Japanese TV show. And he kept saying, there's a special word you have to say, and you won't understand what it is, and I'm basically not going to tell you what it is. But it's called Shibai Toroka. Can you say that for me? I'm like, Shibai Toroka? And then he starts yelling it. I'm like, Shibai Toroka! I'm like, okay. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And I'm out. Have a good one. Bye. What the heck? Okay, now I'm out. Bye. Wait.